Hi, welcome back to the final part in this sales funnel building course. This is step 5 out of 5, and we are covering how you can sustain a constant flow of traffic to your sales funnel. So there are generally two types of traffic, okay? So one is organic traffic or free traffic, and the other is paid traffic. You guessed it, traffic that you pay for. I'm going to show you organic traffic first. So to start us off is SEO, or search engine optimization. Now this is essentially using keywords that pre-qualify your customer by ranking your funnel in search engines. So for example, if somebody searches Google or Bing for certain keywords and those keywords match the content in your funnel will show up in that search engine. So what are the benefits of SEO? Firstly, you're going to be getting your warmest customer possible. What I mean by this is that people are already searching for your content, your product, your service. So that means that they're going to be the closest to a sale. And that's because they have something called intent, okay? The intent to buy the product is already there. So you wouldn't necessarily have to convince them why they need your product, but just why you are the right person for them. So examples of keywords to use would be something specific and with a high search rate. So for example, social media marketing course or custom iPhone 11 case. Both highly searched for and very specific to what the purpose of the search is for. Next up, social media. So Facebook, Instagram, in the form of posts and stories. More specifically, informational content, just sharing general information about your business or a direct sell on what you are promoting. Now, a few of the benefits to social media are that, especially in Instagram, it is very, very easy to get funnel traffic from a bio. Nowadays, there are tens of thousands of people who have direct links to their funnel in their bio. Another great benefit is that social media gives somebody a personal feel before a sale, okay? So the same way that you get sold emotionally, over Instagram, you can see the photos, okay? You can see the videos, you see the content, and people get invested in content, in influencers, and not to mention the following, okay? The following itself shows that you have interested customers and engagement, high engagement as well. A personal tip I used to use was message the people that were commenting on my content. That way you know that they are still active on the platform and they're interested in what you are doing. However, unlike SEO, you're not guaranteed to rank, okay? There's no ranking in search engines, anything like that, unless you are somebody of high following, high influence. Most likely if you type in a username or a username close to it, then you will pop up higher in the search, but I wouldn't rely on that. And also, without paid traffic on Facebook and Instagram, you only get 2 to 3% of your posts showing to your following. So if you had 100 followers, your brand new post would only show to 2 to 3 people, and that's why you need paid traffic as well. The last form of organic traffic is email. A great time to set up an email campaign would be right after the opt-in. So as soon as somebody opts in to your funnel, usually you would notify them or give them the piece of content if you have a lead magnet, so an ebook or digital download. And if they've paid for something, you need to notify them. But another form would be follow-up. Maybe you already have a list and you need to target them. Maybe you've got this brand new funnel that your current email list hasn't seen yet. So let them know via email, get them onto your funnel, and let your funnel do the work. The benefits of email are that it's very, very personal. You can actually send emails to everybody in your list with a personal name in the subject. And what that will do is hook their attention straight away and they think, what is this? And then they click on it. Before you know it, they're reading the rest of the email and they'll be on the funnel in no time. And also, till this day, email has a VIP-like attitude because it is a personal way of receiving exclusive offers from companies. So you can capitalize on that too. Of course, if you want to get your conversions up on email, you will need to understand copywriting. And that is simply just learning a strategy to convert someone from a potential customer, someone in your email list, to a buying customer via written word. Now, I do understand that email has some inherent costs. In most cases, you would have to pay monthly to a provider to let you send a certain amount of emails. And even then, you have to pay more if you want to send more emails monthly. I actually use an email service called MailerLite. And one of the main reasons was pricing. When I started, I didn't have a lot of money and I wanted to keep those costs down. So I started using this after paying for MailChimp, and comparing the two, this just stood out a mile. It's a lot simpler and easy to use. You know I love simplicity. And also, it's so cheap. You can send out 12,000 emails a month to up to 1,000 email subscribers, 1,000 people on your list for nothing. Totally free. It's crazy. And then if you wanted unlimited emails up to 1,000, it is $10 a month. And then of course the price goes up, but it is so much cheaper than everywhere else. So that's what I use. If you want to check it out, you can click the logo straight underneath this video and it will just take you straight there. But now let's move on to paid traffic. And this is where advertising comes in the form of Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. Now, a benefit of paid advertising in general is that it will get you the best results if done correctly, okay? If you are a professional or if you know a professional, they will click all the right buttons, use the right techniques, and you are guaranteed to get better results than organic traffic. The great thing about Facebook and now Instagram as well is that you can have extremely targeted ads. So using things such as the Facebook pixel, you can track customers, their information, everything. You can target it down to the demographic, location, if they've been interested in your products. And also with all of this information, you can retarget, follow them up, and manage a tangible customer. These are all real customers that are engaging in your content, and you can use that data time and time again. But be warned, this does require a skill set, okay? It requires knowledge to run the ad campaigns and to get great results. So if you are going to run these ads, make sure that you do really extensive training or get a professional to do it for you, because paid traffic is a skill more so than just posting online. So if you want to learn more about this skill that I've personally been utilizing for the last 4 years, then a really good book that I would recommend is the Traffic Secrets audiobook by Russell Brunson, who is actually the founder of ClickFunnels. So every piece of content in here is tailored around getting tangible customers to your funnel and website. I've also read 2 other books from his series, .com Secrets and Expert Secrets, and taking in all 3 over the years is what has boosted my sales on my client-based acquisition and e-commerce businesses. So I'll leave a link under this video so you can view each of the books. ClickFunnels currently has a one-time offer where you can grab all 3 plus another for a fraction of their normal price. And there's also audio versions too, which is super useful if you're always on the go like I am. So if you're the type of person that loves to invest in yourself so your business can grow faster, then trust me, you just can't go wrong. Be sure not to miss out on that offer in the checkout. You can find even more free content on our site. Just go to makeasalesfunnel.com/blog. And for all of our best online resources, check makeasalesfunnel.com/resources. But for now, congratulations, that's it. I hope I've been of help to you in this course. I love to give away free information so people can thrive in their own businesses online. I've gained all of this knowledge over learning in paid courses, so it's a pleasure of mine to just help people out and give them that shortcut that they need to success. So to recap, you have now learned what funnel software is right for you, how to build a killer sales funnel, our best marketing tips for high conversion rates, our automated sales strategies to get passive customers, and how to sustain a constant flow of traffic to your funnel. If this course has been of help to you, share it around on all of your platforms. It would really help us out. And leave us a review of the course on the bottom of this page. Until next time, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you later.